Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're having a meetup at the pit. You gotta check this out.
Brisket. I got my BBQ shoes on. Got my natural case and got the hogs on the
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I got him.
Do a little poker powder. you got the dread down. All right. I'll come back over here. Jermaine, you're from Alabama, right?
Mobile,
Alabama.
Fort City.
Welcome up here, man. We're so glad to have you here.
I'm glad to be here, man.
It's gonna be exciting.
The weather is beautiful here, man.
It's a perfect day.
Yeah,
It's like low 70s degrees and no humidity. So which is basically opposite of what you do. It's probably a lot.
Man, what? It's so humid, man. It's probably 100 degrees in Mobile right now. This is like perfect weather here. Like perfect.
Man, I'm brother.
Yeah, man, I'm getting it going.
Like, really? That's a turkey leg.
That's what I said too.
Or a wing. Sorry, turkey wing.
It looks like a turkey.
Got a few little feathers on. Let's get those on.
They grow some big chickens in this neck of the woods.
I see, man. These are huge, man.
Still want to do more Bloody Marys. I want to do more Bloody Marys. Definitely another Bloody Mary will be nice.
Get in here, Jeff.
Oh man. What the heck?
Get in here. Venison high quarter, folks. Jitter and a warning.
Oh, it's mine, man.
Doing the game end of this game.
SPG, I'm sure, their pepper, all sorts of random stuff.
Inserted throughout all the meat.
Yes.
Wild ramps.
Wild Ram.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
The whole bowl.
Those are like, what are they? Describe them. Like,
Garlic onion.
got it.
It's a wild leek.
It's actually referred to as a wild leek.
Wild
In the
leek.
Northeast,
They're
we
known
call
as
them
ramps.
Ramps. Yep.
And if anybody knows, ramps are
They
good.
come up with the skunk cabbage, and they're first ones to die when everything greens up.
Yep. Show you that.
Don't forget.
All right, can't wait for this. All right.
10:30.
Oh, look at that thing in the sun.
Woo, baby.
I'm a BBQ Pit Boys live.
It's on your way. Biggest wins.
These things are huge. Indirect. I think I want to do some drinking and party. Then we'll come back over with my.
That way you have a snack for later, man. Snacking on wings.
Yeah.
We're using our smoky whiskey sauce.
All right.
It's time to put it on. Put it even on a chicken.
Smell it already, man. Smells good.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. Beer butter chicken thigh. Briskets piled high. Eat up.
Say we be eating ribs. We're eating good tonight, Martha. Too bad you couldn't make it this time again.
Yeah.
And there's always a next time.
We got the porchetta. We got that.
And we got more ribs. And don't sorry, that's sausage and chicken.
Sausages. Man, and the size.
Away from me.
Yeah.
It's cool, man.
Oh my goodness.